I was in an emotional vortex. It was the empathy that Chaim showed that carried throughout his representation.
Going through a massive change like ending a relationship can be difficult for folks. If people have legal questions, to lean on an attorney like Chaim is so important to get the right information and to feel protected.
People never get married expecting to get divorced. This is a major life decision. Unfortunately, I went through my own rather nasty divorce and I said, there's got to be a better way. I then dedicated my life to practice that better way. So I went to law school later in life. I did rather well. I graduated top of my class. I worked for some of the most prestigious law firms in the country. I worked for a federal judge. I wanted to bring the quality of big firm practice into the area of matrimonial and family law. I'm making a difference in people's lives. This is the stuff that's really meaningful. And I am so privileged to be able to dedicate my life to doing work that's important to people.
I had actually gone through a divorce, and then years later, I was not able to see my children as per the court order and the divorce agreement. I was facing a contempt motion that had the potential to carry jail. As an attorney who specializes in criminal defense, it didn't fall on deaf ears. We found Chaim Steinberger and an article that he had written about alienation. At a minimum, I wanted to speak to this person. It's one thing if you're an expert in the law, but your ability to interact with the client, speak to them, calm them emotionally, prepare them, let them know that they can focus on whatever it is that they need to do. That's Chaim Steinberger. He's helped me in the courtroom, out of the courtroom, and he's helped me with my children. I think that's incredibly valuable for anybody that retains him.
Chaim Steinberger is the best matrimonial attorney that I've ever worked with in my 20+ years doing therapy. For mental health professionals, it's so important to lean on experts in the world, to refer our patients out to those experts. And I think calling someone like him to help clients navigate this system is so important. I want my people to find someone that they feel safe to be able to talk options with. And I know that Chaim listens to folks. And I think that's just the hallmark of someone who really cares. And having someone in my pocket that does is so important.
The most important job of a matrimonial lawyer is to make the client feel safe. You listen to them, hear their concerns. And so if I want the client to get the result they deserve, I need to spend that extra time with them. I live and die with every client. I take every client and every case personally. My commitment is to treat every case as if it were my own. Nobody who's referred a client to Chaim Steinberger PC has ever regretted that. Sending a client to us will reflect well on you. We will hear them out. We make sure that the case is prepared and they get the just result they deserve.